Welcome back to my channel Around the World, your destination for exploring the most magical places on Earth. Today, we're traveling deep into the Andes Mountains to witness one of the greatest wonders of human civilization, Machu Picchu, Peru. A forgotten city, a masterpiece of stone, and a mystery that has captivated the world for over 500 years. Let's step into the clouds and into history. Before you reach Machu Picchu, the journey itself feels like an adventure ripped straight from a movie. Most travelers begin in Cusco, once the historic capital of the Inca Empire. From here, you can take the world-famous Inca Trail, a multi-day trek through ancient stone paths carved by the Incas. Or you can hop on the scenic train to Aguas Calientes, a town nestled in dense rainforest and towering mountains. But whether you hike or ride, nothing prepares you for the moment you climb to the Sun Gate or step off the bus and see Machu Picchu with your own eyes. There it is, Machu Picchu, the lost city of the Incas. Perched nearly 2,500 meters above sea level, surrounded by deep valleys and swirling clouds, it feels like the city is floating. This ancient citadel was built in the 15th century, abandoned a century later, and completely forgotten hidden by the forest until its rediscovery in 1911 by American explorer Hiram Bingham. Even today, the full purpose of Machu Picchu remains a mystery, and that mystery is part of the magic. The architecture of Machu Picchu is a masterpiece of engineering. Every stone is carved with such precision that not even a piece of paper can fit between them. The Incas built the city in three main sectors. 1. The agricultural terraces. Long, layered steps carved into the mountainside. These terraces controlled erosion and produced crops in a climate where farming shouldn't be possible. 2. The urban sector. Homes, storage buildings, plazas, and pathways, an entire functioning city made from stone. 3. The sacred zone, where the Incas connected with the cosmos. Temple of the Sun, Temple of the Three Windows, Intihuatana stone, a ritual stone aligned with the sun's position during the solstices. These structures show how the Incas blended spirituality, science, and nature into every aspect of their civilization. Visitors often say Machu Picchu has a unique energy, and standing here, you understand why. The Incas believed the mountains, or appas, were living spirits. Machu Picchu is surrounded by sacred peaks like Huayna Picchu, Putucusi, and Salcante. The entire city was designed to honor the sun, the stars, and the natural world. If you arrive at sunrise, the first rays of light slowly illuminating the stone walls feel like a moment frozen in time, pure magic. For adventure seekers, Machu Picchu isn't just a viewpoint, it's a playground. Huayna Picchu, the iconic peak behind the ruins. The climb is steep, narrow, and thrilling, but the view from the top is one of the best on Earth. Machu Picchu Mountain, higher, longer, and less crowded, offering sweeping panoramic views. The Sun Gate, Inti Punku. For those who hike the Inca Trail, this is the first magical glimpse of the city. No matter which path you choose, each one gives you a new perspective on this ancient wonder. Machu Picchu is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and protecting it is crucial. Visitor limits are now in place, certain paths are controlled, and preservation teams work daily to protect the fragile stonework. When you visit, remember, stay on designated paths, respect the ruins, and help preserve this treasure for future generations. Machu Picchu is more than just a destination. It's an experience that connects you to a mysterious past, breathtaking nature, and the incredible achievements of the Inca civilization. If this ancient city is on your bucket list, trust me, it's even more breathtaking in person. Thanks for watching Around the World. If you enjoyed this journey, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon so you never miss our next travel adventure. Where should we go next? Comment below and let's keep exploring around the world.